In this video, I'm going to show you how to add indicators on BloFin. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top here, and of course you want to go onto the trading panel. So I'm going to just open up the spot trading panel over here. It's going to work on the demo one as well as on futures and all of the other ones available on BloFin. And then here you can see you have your chart. Now on your chart here, you are on the trading view chart. As you can see by default, you have this button up top over here, which of course when you click on it is going to pop up indicators. Okay, so let me remove this. There we go. We have the indicators. Again, it's this button up here, and then from here you want to look for it, for the one you want to add. I'm going to type in Bollinger Bands. I'm going to click on the indicator, and there we go. It's going to get added on here. Okay, so that's how easy it is to actually add indicators on BloFin. Now up here, as you can see the top right, you have depth and trading view. Make sure you're actually on the trading view section, because if you're not, you won't be able to see this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.